Sumara sila maroon mo lang ako. Kasi matapang ka lang naman. We have the position eh, pero kusuntukan tayo. Ara kumakaya bilita. Ganun lang. But you're a coward. You are nothing with your position. Totoo lang.
Tamang-tama dahil marami ang nasalanta ngayon ng bagyo at baha. Maybe we can use this moment or this opportunity for to raise funds in a charity boxing match. This coming kung para mabilis this coming Sunday sa Araneta 12 rounds. Pwede. 12 rounds susundukan para maganda at para medyo marami-rami ang ma-raise natin. Siguro you can find sponsors per round may mag-sponsor. So, let's place their merchandise before each round. So, 12 rounds para medyo marami-rami ang sponsor, marami tayong ma-raise na pondo.